You want to go at it real quick? You want to go at it real quick? It's a 250, dude. It's not fast, man. All right. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Come on, buddy. You should have fucking taken the light. Why are you doing that? Oh, look. Camaro. Target. Go get him, boy. Go get him, boy. Come on, boy. Let's go get him. Let's go get him, boy. Ah, come on, boy. Should I go after that one or that one? Come on, buddy. I know you want to play. Come on, buddy. He wants to play. Come on, man. You want to go at it real quick? You want to go at it real quick? It's a 250, dude. It's not fast, man. All right. Ah, fucking taking me, dude. Come on. This is why you don't race a 250. Probably if I had a bigger bike, but I mean Camaros are pretty fast, so yeah. Just get this card. Just got my spam card. I just can't do it, man. I just can't keep up. Oh, he's trolling me now, man. This guy joined the party. I actually hit 100. Just gonna give him my spam card real quick. Check out. I'm gonna ask him if he wants to be on YouTube. Hold on. Hey, dude, is it cool if I put you on YouTube? I just started a new motovlogging channel. I'll blow your face out if you want. I just started. I barely have like 40 subscribers, dude. I try to block as most of your license plates. Try to block your face out. Yeah, I just got it, so I don't have that much time with it. But
I'm actually looking to get one, but from what I've been told, to start off with like a 600, because then you want to go fast.
yeah, dude, trust me. I started. I mean, the good thing about this one, when you don't know how to drive a motorcycle, you know, you pop the throttle. On this one, you won't fucking pop a wheelie. On the other ones, if you don't know how to fucking yeah, that's the channel name right there. A lot of people that I gave it to, they don't really understand. You just put Aru Motor Riders, and it should be the first one that pops up. Well, I have the bike on it, so obviously.
Yeah, and I was all like, I actually thought you were gonna run faster because I just tuned mine 2 days ago.
Yeah.
I was all like, okay, you know, I want to see.
Yeah, nah, dude, you're taking me by. This shit only hits 100 miles per hour, dude. That's it. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. It is. It's really fun, man. Like,
how much that one run you?
I actually got it real cheap. They usually run around $3 grand, but I got it from some guy that he didn't even know what he had. I got it for $2 grand, so I mean, just to learn on it, I was like, fuck it, might as well just learn on it.
Man, that's not bad. You can just use it like as a daily, like
Yeah, yeah.
you know?
And
Usually what I've been wanting is just to like go to the gym and stuff like that because I don't want to put the mileage in.
oh yeah, yeah, and then gas too. I mean, it's not that expensive right now, but that shit fills up with $7, dude. and I'm like,
$7?
yeah, and I'm like everywhere, and
Yeah, that's pretty badass.
yeah, man. What's your name, dude?
My name is Jeff.
Alright, man, yeah. I'm actually going to start I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel too.
Yeah, if you start one, man, just if you do subscribe, just send me a message right there, something. Hey, this is guy from the Camaro or something, and I'll go subscribe to your channel too, man.
Okay.
Check it out. You'll be on there, man. You'll see how you smoke me real bad. Alright, man. Nice run. I'm low on gas. I can't hear. Oh. Check me out on YouTube. Fucking man, today was a fun ride, man. Really fucking enjoyed this shit. Damn, he's gunning it, man. Gunning it. So, dude. Man, I couldn't have asked for more today, man. That was, literally, I've been riding around probably for like 30 minutes and all that shit happened, man. That was fucking fun, man. Especially right now. I started school already, so I haven't been able to ride that much. I've been bored and I was just like, man, I seen some rust growing on my freaking chain, so I was like, man, I'm gonna take this bike out just for a little cruise or something. Man, and it just happened, man. Just happened. Alright, guys, I guess that'll be it for the day. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. If you like videos like this, just, you know, guys, subscribe to my channel. I'll try to put up some more content like this. It's basically luck. Not all the time I go out, everybody wants to race me or something, but so yeah, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, thumbs up, anything, and come back for more, man.